define me. You set a table before me. I'm overwhelmed by your mercy. You are the miracle worker. You keep your promise forever. Nothing's too hard for